Hi there, I'm Trisha. I used to be a preschool teacher and I helped develop this set from LEGO Education. We call it Cafe Plus. Preschoolers can use this menu card and coin elements to set up cafe and restaurant scenarios where they will role play and explore simple addition and subtraction as they purchase menu items. Preschoolers will be very excited to use these recipe cards, which have a build on both sides. They can use them to create a wide range of food items, such as burgers, sandwiches, and even this apple. Children will be practicing tasty math as they match in one-to-one correspondence. Cafe Plus also comes in a sturdy storage container to help you at that tricky cleanup time. We also know you're quite busy, so we've included some activities on how to use the set. For instance, have the children work together to create a shopping list and go to the grocery store to buy all the ingredients they need. LEGO Education Preschool, so many ways to learn.